Welcome back. So we're in the workshop. I'm on the Foxbody again. I haven't given up on the Triumph. I just needed a palette cleanser and to get this usable. So what have we got going on? Last video, door pin fiasco. Left door's done. Right door can't be done until I clear the space, and there's a bunch of stuff to do on that side of the car. Video before that, we cut the springs down. I have ordered a UPR coilover kit. It's fucking awesome. It's over there in the box. That's not being assembled because I'm still waiting for some aluminium anti-seize to turn up, which you can't just walk into a shop and buy, which is fucking ridiculous. So today, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna fit some seats. So yeah, my seat rail's turned up. I'm gonna fit the driver's seat because I've got access to that side. And yeah, let's crack on and see how badly I can fuck this up. Box of things. Seat adjuster, pull thingy, slider. One slider, two sliders. Yeah, they look good. Let's get them out, These actually look really good. I think I paid like 35 quid for them. Yeah, they're 35 quid. They're identical to some fancier ones I found. But yeah, so right, that's pushing up. So that's obviously the base. Yeah, we've got some hardware. Let's see, let's have a look at the seat. So yeah, so it's an OMP Sport 2, and the dog seems to like it. I've got a pair of these, had them for a while. This one is filthy because Mowgli just had it in his workshop, not covered. Gay! So that needs detailing. But yeah, you can let me get the seat out, dog. You're gonna be weird. Look at him. Full recline on them, adjustable, harness compatible, and then there's a bar at the back to tip the seat forward. Not that I'm gonna have back seats, but access to the back would be nice. So yeah, let's get some fucking measurements. I don't even know if this shit's gonna fit. I've hit problem number one. The holes line up to bolt to the bottom of the seats. Problem is the lift bar that slides the seat hits the bottom of the seat, which means I have to space the rails away from the seat. Why is nothing I do straightforward?
I'm kind of retarded.
So, how am I gonna do this? Well, I think I'm gonna have to start breaking out the GoPro for certain angles. It's really hard to film in a car. So, problem number two. These are obviously not original. So they're the rails the seats to be bolted to. It was built for drag racing, so this was fixed seat, part of the spec bullshit. The hole centres at the bottom of the seat is 345 mil. The centres on these rails are 385 mil. Oh, I need to lift the seat and bring the mounting points for the seat closer. So the smart thing to do would be to bolt these to the car, get these all fitted and lined up. I need to drill another hole anyway, and then the existing holes are a bit big. And then something going across that drilled up and bolts to the seats. I've cut down some stock, 25 mil wide, like 4 mil thick. Definitely meaty enough. I mean, that's some riser plates for the seat that were on it, which I'm not going to use, and they're thinner. So 4 mil will do the trick. I need to find centre on all of them. Or should I do one and drill through all of them together? Anyway, so find centre, mark out, and get drilling.
Yeah, can't fool flexing cause they know I got the sauce. Got the presence on me, I can't ever take it off. That's why I came country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Yeah, they can't get like me, rocking boots and white tee. Designer on my cuff link, something like a movie. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Country boy stepping, yeah, I'm country boy stepping. Artist out the ranch, I just told you that I'm about it. I might take offense if you tell me that you doubt it. That's just what it is, yeah, I'm known to make it rap.
That's what I've ended up with. The outer holes will mount to the sliders, and then these holes will mount to the seats. And then there were 4. Let's get these cleaned up. 24 grit on a flexible disc. Made 8 of these bad boys, 6082 T6. I did them off camera because whenever I put lathe stuff up, I can't make it look interesting. So yeah, you just have to know that I made them. Right, there's an assembly order to this. And I am going to change some of the hardware. So it's spacer there. Yeah, I've ordered some longer bits. Right, there's one. The actual mounts on the seats, they kick out, which is fucking annoying when it comes to measuring stuff up. So that goes like that. Have I? Yeah, so yeah, that was it. These have to go in. Or can I? No, yeah, these have to go in first. So I tested all this last night. It's actually pretty easy to bolt into the car. It's just getting the order of these bits right. So I've got a spacer up against the seat, then a bar, then it's another spacer goes there. I'm going to radius all that in a bit. So let's get the other. Here's a bit of a rigmarole. Oh, sweating, and I've got to get this the right way around. So it's, yeah, spring up. And then which hole was it? That hole there. Was it that hole? Yeah, that hole there. And I've just got some regular nuts for the moment, but they will be all nylocked up and shit when it's done. Let me get all this put together and then I'll be back. So that's all bolted up. That's exactly where I want it, tucked underneath, and locks in. Yeah, pucker, well happy with that. Didn't have to raise it too much. I think height wise we gained 10, 20, about 24 mil, which is nothing. But yeah, what started off as I need 2 spaces so this works, ended up being a whole thing. Right now I've got to take all that apart again, mount the runners in the car. Done, bolted down. Damn, it's hot. There is a seat in the car. Well chuffed with that. Like, doesn't seem like a big thing, but makes such a difference. Just, yeah, visually, inspirationally. So now I'm gonna take it all out and carry on with the carpeting and make it look better. Oh yeah, that's good. And we've got a good slide. I can reach the pedals, shifters a bit, but that was always too far. But yeah, done. Just gonna ignore the other side for now. What's up, dog? Have a great week, guys. I'm gonna crack on with working on this. Peace. Doggy, 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 doggy. Mwah. Give me a kiss. Good boy. Let me jump out.
Hey, bark, bark.